welcome to the official Big Mama cooking series. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make collard greens. Season 5, sweet like apple pie, spend it on me. Give me all them collard greens.
Give me all them collard greens. Yeah, holla at me. I'm the plug.
What you're going to need are some collard greens. We got some turkey legs, hot sauce, vegetable oil, chicken broth, salt, red pepper, black pepper, garlic cloves, onions, and what is this? Onion powder. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on our stove. Make sure you get you a nice pot to cook the collard greens in. So we wanna put some vegetable oil into the pot. Just enough to coat evenly inside the pot. So let's just go ahead and throw in the onions. This is a full, actually, it's a little bit more than half of an onion. We're gonna let that cook until they're tender, and then I'm gonna add the garlic. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our garlic cloves. Not minced garlic, just chop up some garlic and put that in there. And we're gonna cook it about 1 minute, just 1 minute. Okay, so the thing about Southern cooking is not supposed to be healthy. You know why? Because we use a lot of salt, we use a lot of butters, flour. So when I moved to California, I got more on the healthier tip, and I'm a person that I like to work out. My favorite type of workouts I do are I like cardio, I like to do weights, I like yoga. And so it's when I'm eating bad, it's hard to work off when you eating a lot. A lot of this type of food goes to my thighs and my booty, but I'm not complaining because I want my booty big.
Lollipop, bubble sparks. Booty, rocking everywhere.
Okay. Now that the onion and the garlic's in there, we're gonna add 3 cups of chicken broth. Let's do 1 more cup. Okay, and we're gonna add our red pepper flakes, and then we're gonna add our onion powder. Okay, we're gonna stir this up. I'll be stirring up the pot. I heard that I'm a lot. Guess I hit the spot. I used to be really scared to go downstairs in the middle of the night, anytime in the kitchen, because my mom had to be up early in the morning for work. Me and my sister, we would go downstairs. It was maybe 11 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock. And my mom, every time she was asleep, she did not want to be bothered. I'm telling you, if she heard one little noise, she would be, Hannah. You know, when you're getting those cravings and you just need something to eat right then. So I would go downstairs and just be all up in the pantry wanting to cook something. Yeah, I think I always just been a foodie, and I love to cook, and I get that from my family. So now we brought it to a boil. Reduce the heat, and we're gonna go ahead and add our turkey. Now you want to usually do a turkey leg, but the grocery store didn't have any turkey legs, so these are turkey wings. But it's just as good. It's just as good. I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me whatever you guys wanted. 86, he said, what happened that made you sure of what you wanted to do or be? What was it, a specific moment? So I always knew from very little that I wanted to do something where I could just entertain and make people happy and just make people feel confident. I remember the moment I was at my grandmother's house, and she had this karaoke machine. One night it was Alicia Keys playing Fallen. It was when she first came out with the album, and I learned all the lyrics, I learned all the melody, and I sang Fallen on the karaoke machine, and everybody was like, oh my gosh, yes, Hannah, and it just made me feel really good. And at that point I was just I think I want to do this. This is fun. And then I just started dibbling and dabbling in music, and went to college, studied the recording industry for a couple semesters, end up not doing that. And then after college I was like, you know what, this is what I want to do. I really want to do this. I've always just had an interest in music and entertainment. So now that the turkey is in there, I put it on low, and we're gonna add the collard greens. I'm just gonna add 2 capfuls of vinegar. Okay guys, so it finally is finished. It looks really good. Oh my gosh, this turkey is falling off the bone. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. All right, now let's try this. Bon appetit.
21, can you do something for me? 21.
This is so freaking good. Oh my gosh, Tommy, you have to try about it. You have to, for the people. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. Stay tuned for my next episode where I will be showing you guys how to make apple pie. Bye. Season 5, sweet like apple pie. Spend it on me. Give me all them collard greens. Oh yeah, holla at me. I'm the plug. Got the key to the city.